Can you imagine a day without your phone? No Instagram, no text, no Google. I tried it, and let me tell you, it was not easy. I decided to do a digital detox, a full 24 hours without my phone. Here's what happened. The first hour was the hardest. I felt like a fish out of water, completely lost. I kept reaching for my phone, only to realize it wasn't there. Phantom vibration syndrome is real. My brain was tricking me into thinking my phone was buzzing. Suddenly, I had nothing to do. My brain was screaming, check your messages, but I had to resist. Let's be real. I was bored out of my mind. No scrolling, no texting, just me and my thoughts. My attention span was as short as a goldfish's memory. I wasn't used to sitting still without distractions. But then something changed. I started noticing the real world again. I actually heard the birds chirping. I felt the wind. I wasn't glued to a screen for once. It hit me. I was living in the moment. No distractions, no notifications, just pure peace. Guess what? I finally finished a book I had been putting off for months. I also had a real conversation with eye contact and everything. No one was glued to their screen. It felt amazing. And then, the moment of truth. 24 hours later, I picked up my phone. But something was different. I didn't feel the need to check every single notification. My brain wasn't craving it anymore. Maybe I'll try this again sometime. Who knows? Maybe even for a whole week. What about you? Could you survive 24 hours without your phone? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move into English learning part from the video. First one is fish out of water. That is feeling uncomfortable in a new situation, or a person is in a situation that is not familiar, or because he or she is different from the people around them. Second one is phantom vibration syndrome. This is the situation when you think your phone is vibrating, but it's not. Third one, bored out of my mind, means extremely bored. Let's move into fourth slang. As short as a goldfish's memory, this means having a very short attention span. Fifth one is living in the moment, means enjoying the present without worrying about the past or future. Sixth one is putting off things. This means delaying something, and that is really bad thing that you have to overcome. I will put more videos on how to overcome procrastination. That is, again, delaying something. Seventh, also not a good practice, glued to the screen. This means addicted to the phone, TV, or any screen. Okay, last one for the day, craving something. It means a strong desire for something. Okay, this is the end. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's always glued to their phone.